This video is sponsored by ACASIS. ACASIS, a premium tech brand. They are a full-cycle company handling everything from research and design to manufacturing. Their mission is to provide high-performance solutions for creators who value speed and efficiency. The brand is best known for its elite storage solutions. ACASIS is a leader in USB 4 and Thunderbolt enclosures, capable of reaching speeds up to 80 gigabits per second. This is a game changer for video editors and photographers who need to move massive files in seconds. Their gear is designed to be stable, reliable, and it integrates perfectly with the Mac ecosystem. Beyond storage, ACASIS offers professional video capture cards and powerful docking stations. These tools are built for content creators and office professionals who need to expand their connectivity. Whether you are streaming or setting up a high-end workstation, their plug-and-play design makes everything simple and efficient. ACASIS combines innovation with professional-grade quality. They are constantly investing in new tech to help you stay productive. ACASIS is a brand that combines innovation with practical solutions for the modern creator. If you are looking to boost your productivity and upgrade your tech setup, they are definitely a brand worth watching. You can check out more about their latest updates and products on their official website. Thanks again to ACASIS for sponsoring this video. Make sure to check out the links in the description to learn more.
Have you ever wondered if the voice you're hearing right now is truly human? Well, the answer might surprise you. I am an artificial intelligence voice completely generated by ElevenLabs. For this video, I, as the author, wrote the text, which is generated by this service. I do this on the free plan, which is available to all users. In today's digital world, the line between reality and simulation is blurring, and audio is at the forefront of this revolution. In this comprehensive review, we are going to explore why ElevenLabs has become the absolute gold standard for content creators in 2026. We will walk through the entire interface, demonstrate the power of multilingual synthesis, and I will show you how to clone your own voice with terrifying accuracy. Most importantly, I'm going to reveal the professional settings that separate a robotic sound from a cinematic masterpiece. If you are tired of spending hours recording voiceovers or buying expensive microphones, this video is exactly what you need. Let's start by looking at the heart of the platform. When you first log in, you are greeted by the Speech Synthesis tab. This is your digital recording studio. ElevenLabs doesn't just read words, it understands the emotional weight behind them. It uses a high-tech neural network that mimics human breathing, pacing, and emphasis. Unlike the old-fashioned text-to-speech tools that sounded flat and mechanical, this system looks ahead at the next few sentences to decide how the current word should be pronounced. You have the ability to choose from a vast library of pre-made voices, each with its own personality. Some are perfect for deep, dramatic movie trailers, while others are designed for lighthearted social media clips or technical tutorials. The ease of use is incredible. You simply type or paste your script into the text box, select your preferred model, and the AI does the heavy lifting in seconds. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful features, the multilingual V2 and V3 models. For a YouTuber, the biggest challenge is reaching a global audience. Usually, this requires hiring expensive translators and voice actors for every language. But with ElevenLabs, you can take your English script and instantly generate it in over 30 different languages, including Spanish, German, French, Hindi, and Japanese. The most impressive part? The voice maintains its unique character and emotional tone across every language. If you choose a deep, gravelly voice in English, it will sound just as deep and gravelly in Italian. This allows you to create multiple versions of your channel for different countries with almost zero extra effort. It's a complete game changer for anyone looking to scale their brand internationally and dominate global search results. Next, we move into the Voice Lab, which is perhaps the most famous and controversial part of the platform. ElevenLabs offers two types of cloning, instant and professional. Instant voice cloning is what most creators use. You simply upload a clean audio sample of about 1 to 5 minutes, and the AI builds a digital profile of that voice. From that moment on, you can make that voice say anything you want. Imagine being able to produce a 10-minute video without ever stepping in front of a microphone. It's perfect for those days when you have a cold, or if you simply want to save time. However, it's not just for cloning yourself. You can create unique, brand new voices by using the voice design tool, where you adjust age, gender, and accent to invent a character that doesn't even exist in the real world. It gives you total creative freedom over your audio identity. To truly stand out, you must master the voice settings menu. This is where the magic happens. Let's break down the 7 critical sliders you need to know. First is stability. If you set this too high, the voice becomes very consistent but a bit boring. If you set it low, the voice becomes expressive and random. For YouTube narration, I recommend 40 to 50%. Second is similarity enhancement. This ensures the output stays true to the original voice sample. Keep this around 70% to avoid digital noise. Third is style exaggeration. This adds energy and dramatic flair, which is great for storytelling, but can be unstable if pushed too far. Fourth, always enable speaker boost. This adds a rich, bass-heavy quality that mimics a professional studio environment. Fifth, pay attention to your model selection. The Turbo V 2.5 model is incredibly fast for long documents, while the Multilingual Vias 2 offers the best emotional depth. Sixth, remember that punctuation is your conductor. Commas create short breaths, while periods create long pauses. And finally, always break your text into small, logical paragraphs. This prevents the AI from losing track of the tone and ensures a smooth, professional flow from start to finish. So, is it worth the investment? ElevenLabs offers a free tier so you can test the waters, but the paid plans unlock commercial rights and higher quality audio. For the price of a couple of cups of coffee per month, you get access to an unlimited workforce of professional voice actors. In my opinion, the value is unbeatable for any modern creator. It allows you to focus on your script and your editing while the AI handles the sound. Now, let's talk about the most important part, the cost. Understanding the pricing system is key to planning your content. ElevenLabs uses a credit-based system. To make it simple, 1 credit equals 1 character. This includes every letter, every space, and even every comma or period. So if you have a script with 5,000 characters, it will cost you exactly 5,000 credits to generate. Currently, I am using the free plan, and this is what's amazing. Every single month, ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 credits for free. To give you some perspective, the entire script for this 10-minute video is about 6,000 characters long. This means that, theoretically, you could voice 2 videos similar to this one every month without spending a single dollar. It's an incredible way to start your YouTube journey. However, if you want to grow, you should look at the paid tiers. The starter plan is usually around $5 a month. It gives you 30,000 credits and unlocks the commercial rights, which is essential if you want to monetize your channel. If you are a serious creator, the creator plan is the sweet spot. It's about $22 a month and gives you a massive boost to 100,000 credits. This is enough for about 2 hours of generated audio. Plus, you get access to higher quality rendering and the professional voice cloning feature. For larger projects, there are the Pro and Studio plans, which offer 500,000 credits and more, designed for companies or authors narrating entire audiobooks. The best part is that if you run out of credits on a paid plan, you can usually enable usage-based billing, so your work doesn't stop. ElevenLabs makes it very easy to track your usage in the dashboard, so you always know exactly how many characters you have left for your next project. It's transparent, fair, and much cheaper than hiring a human narrator for every script. Just remember to use this technology ethically and always respect copyright laws. We are entering a new era of creativity, and ElevenLabs is leading the way. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive. If you want to try ElevenLabs for yourself, I've placed a link in the description below to get you started. If this video helped you understand the world of AI audio a little better, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI tools. Let me know in the comments, what will you use AI voices for? I'm excited to hear your ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive instant notifications about new videos on the channel.